So guys, once you've fitted your LED lighting, it will look something like this. So basically each unit comes with its own supply, which is just slightly down here, so I can't show you that. But you get 3 wires. You get the red, the black and the yellow. The black goes to your negative on your battery somewhere over there. The red wire goes to a fuse, the ACC fuse, which is in your fuse box. Now I'm going to show you what I used. I'll just unattach that and I'll show you what I used. So I used the red wire into this fuse here, which then when you turn the car on, the lights come on. When you turn the car off, the lights will go off, and I'll show you that in a moment. Basically, I haven't connected the yellow wire yet, which essentially connects to your indicator and will make your lights go the way the indicator is. So I'm going to do that later. I haven't done that yet. I've got a wire here to fix that up, so we'll do that at a later date. I've also used bullet clips here, so I can undo those and then take the light out. I would suggest doing something like that, because if you want to remove the lights, you will be stuck if it's completely wired up. So that's something that might be useful to do. So I wired this side up, connected it all the way across, and then connected it to this side, and then ran those wires together and then up. Now you can ground it, as I say, into your negative, and then use your fuse in your fuse box, which will basically turn the lights on and off with the car. And I'll show you that now. So we'll go to the car. The car is currently on. So we'll turn the car off. Do that now. The car is off. And your lights will switch off, and there you have it. So a really simple installation, guys. You guys can do it. If you need a hand, give us a shout, and I look forward to you on the next video.